Hey guys! I am so excited to be showing you this project. Y'all know me, I cannot wait to bring on some fall and some Halloween decor. So of course it's August, almost August, and I'm jumping right into it. This right here is the August Club Couture. And I just wanted to show you guys, if you have been a club member, this is what you will be getting. This is an anniversary squeegee. The new Club Couture comes with that beautiful simple shape. Every single month you'll get it, as well as that matching transfer. So it's kind of a little upgrade to that program. If you're interested in that program, comment Club Couture below, and I'll reach out to you with some more information. So tonight's project is this really fun scarecrow that I'm actually creating using the buffalo plaid background transfer and the jack-o'-lanterns faces transfer. And I do have another one of these available in a kit, and I will post that later today. I only have one available, but the kit's kind of funny looking if you don't know what you're doing. So I wanted to come on and just show you real quick how to put it together. So it's got a different face. This transfer actually had 3 faces. So the kit comes with one of the third faces. So I'm going to use one that belongs to me, and we're going to go ahead and use that with the shimmer black paste. In the kit, you will get a sample of the shimmer black as well as the orange peel. So there's no need to worry there. And I tried to keep my project similar to the project that you're going to get in the kit. The transfer will be a little different, but it is going to be a plaid transfer. You will get a new one that actually goes with our tiered trays. Super duper cute, and you can do the same exact thing that I'm doing here with it. We're going to use this plaid, this buffalo plaid, just to do a hat. Then I'm going to take some popsicle sticks, and I'm just going to outline the hat a little bit, and then I'm going to tie it off with some bows and some ribbons. And I'm actually going to put some jeans down below just to kind of keep adding the layers and the dimension to it. So these are just a pair of cut up jeans. They're actually 4T, which fits perfectly on this slab of wood. The project kit that I put together does have an extra set of these jeans, so you guys will, it will include everything that I'm using tonight, all of the accessories, the paste colors, the wood, the transfers. You'll see it later. But we're gonna go ahead and I just cut a little piece of the pant leg off. And again, I love the denim on the scarecrow. I've seen this done without the denim, and it's just as cute. I've also seen it done with some ribbon on the bottom, and that's super cute as well. But I love the denim. It looked really, really cute, and I had all these extra pants anyway. So I just cut a pant leg off. Now I'm getting my glue gun out. This project is like so in love with the glue gun. So I'm going to take these popsicle sticks, and you can also use a painter's stick if you want, if you're using a bigger piece of wood. I'm just going to use a couple popsicle sticks because it's all the same. Feel free to paint these or decorate these any way that you want. I am all about the natural wood, so I kept everything very natural today. So I went ahead and I glued those on with the hot glue. Then I'm going to come through with the jeans, and I'm just going to glue the bottom of them so that stays on. I'm not even going to really worry about the top, but if you want, you can go around the top of the jeans and kind of glue that to the top as well. I just wanted to glue the bottom so that the bottom was secure. And I'm so sorry that this next piece kind of got cut off a little bit, but then what I'm going to do is I just took a bunch of fall ribbon scraps. I actually went through like all my accessories, and I made a fall basket. So it's got like some ribbons and some stuff that would be nice for the fall. And I'm just going to tie them into like random weird spots, like around the jeans. And then I do one up on the hat just to kind of pull the hat out some more. The part that got cut off that I'm really upset with is that I took some of that twine and I just cut little pieces out of it, and I used it for hair. So it's perfect, and you can see it in the picture at the end of the video. However, right here you can see that I accidentally forgot to pull that back down. So as I'm working with that hat and gluing those twine pieces on, you can't really see it. But that's what I'm doing here, and stay tuned to the end because I do have a photo where I show you it all to you. So yeah, I'm just going through with a couple of different pieces of ribbon. If you are interested in the kit that I have, it does come with like 5 or 6 pieces of ribbon. They're all different, but all the ribbon that you see here will come with your kit. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for a little bit, and I will show you that whole product. There it is, guys. Isn't it so cute? Perfect. I love it. It was so much fun to make. Thanks so much for watching.